So you have turned on AI Max in your Google Ads account. Great. But here's the thing. You don't know what Google's AI is writing as your headline and description. And it could be saying anything that honestly does not relate to your brand or business. Something could be like cheap price, budget option, discount this. However, your stuff is premium and these words have nothing to do with your brand or business. And like what is the worst part? You probably have not even seen it yet. So now Google has offered a fix for it and it's called text guideline. And today I am showing you exactly how to set this up. In this video, you are going to learn three things. Number one, what text guidelines actually are and why they matter. Two, how to set them up inside AI Max step by step. Three, the exact mistakes to avoid as Google's AI does not go rogue on your brand. If you are new here, subscribe. I post Google Ads tutorial every week. Let's get into it. Before you touch any settings, you need to understand what this feature does. Text guidelines is a campaign level control that tells Google's AI what it can and cannot write when it generates your ad copy. Think of it as a guardrail for the AI. So here is the key thing. There's a feature called text customization. So that is the AI engine that writes your headlines and descriptions automatically. Text guidelines sit on top of that. Customization creates the copy, guidelines constrain it. So you get two tools inside text guidelines. First, term exclusion, exact words or phrase you want blocked. Second, messaging restriction, natural language rules like don't imply your product is cheap. So here is a pro tip. Text customization must be turned on before you can use text guidelines. If customization is off, the guideline option won't even appear. And here's a common mistake, confusing text customization with text guidelines. They are not the same. Text customization generates and the other governs what to or not to generate. Now, here is where it gets interesting. Let me walk you through the actual step. Click the create button in your Google Ads account, pick campaign, then choose search. As you go through the setup, you will reach the AI Max page. Toggle to opt in to AI Max setting. You will see the asset optimization panel right below that toggle. Text customization is turned on by default when AI Max is active. Good. You need that. Right below text customization, you will see add text guidelines. Click on it. Now you will see two sections, term exclusions on one side, messaging restrictions on the other. For term exclusions, type in the exact words you want blocked. I mean, like you don't want to show in your ad. Things like cheap, free, discount, bargain, whatever does not fit your brand. You can add up to 25 exclusions per campaign, and each one can be up to 30 characters. For messaging restriction, write rules in plain English. You get up to 40 per campaign and each can be up to 300 characters. So write it like you are briefing your copywriter. For example, don't imply our services as budget friendly, or never mention competitor name, or it could be like always position our brand as premium. And here's a pro tip, messaging restrictions work across all languages your campaign target, even if you write them only in English, but term exclusions don't. They are language specific. So if your campaign runs in Spanish too, you need to add the Spanish version of each excluded term separately. And here's a common mistake you should avoid, writing vague instructions like make my ad sound good. Google's AI cannot work with that. So you have to be very specific, like you can say use a professional and confident tone, avoid casual slang. So it is much better to follow for Google's AI. So you already have a campaign running with AI Max, and here is how to add text guidelines to it. So go to settings in your campaign menu, click on AI Max in the section menu, make sure the AI Max toggle is on. Below the toggle, find the asset optimization panel. Text customization is enabled, then click add text guidelines. Same setup, add your term exclusion and messaging restrictions. Hit save and done. And here's a pro tip. When you add text guidelines to an existing campaign, any AI generated assets that violate your new rules will stop serving immediately. They get marked as removed. So before you flip this on for a high spend campaign, make sure you have enough manually written assets to cover the gap. And here's a common mistake you should be careful about it. Adding text guidelines on a Friday afternoon to a campaign is spending 500 per day and coming back Monday to find a half your ads got paused. You have to plan the rollout, have backup assets ready. This guidelines also works for Performance Max. Go to your Performance Max campaign, open settings, look for brand guidelines under campaign setting. Click on it. Text guidelines will appear under the brand identity section. Add your term exclusions and messaging restrictions. Same limits, same rules. And here's a one note you should be careful about it. If your PMax campaign does not have brand guidelines enabled yet, you will need to upgrade it first using the upgrade existing campaigns with brand guidelines flow. If you are stuck, reach out to your Google representative. And here's a pro tip. After setting up your guidelines, check your Google's optimized text assets through asset reporting. That is how you verify the guidelines are actually being applied. Don't just set it and forget it. So here's a common mistake you should be careful using term exclusions to block price symbols like a dollar or pound. That won't work. The AI might still generate assets like shoes starting from $1.49. So if you want to block price mentions, you have to use messaging restriction instead, like write do not generate assets with prices. Let me give you the quick recap. One, text guidelines are your guardrails for AI generated ad copy. They sit on top of text customization. Number two, you get 25 term exclusions and 40 messaging restrictions per campaign. You should use both. Three, be specific, write restriction in plain language, and always check asset reporting after activation. This is the feature that turns AI Max from a black box into a tool you actually control. I have created Google Ads Quick Start Guide that walks you through everything step by step. Downloaded. Link is in the description. If this video helped you, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Drop a comment below. Tell me, are you using AI Max yet or are you still waiting? I read every comment. Next video, I will be breaking down the biggest AI mistake I'm seeing in clients' account right now. So you don't want to miss it. See you next video.